Welcome my dear friends. In this video we'll discuss artificial intelligence applications for business automations. I'll discuss on passive 5 products, each product multi-billion USD market size. Also I'll give insight about the B2B and B2C business and global market size of these 5 products. My dear friend, what is B2B and B2C business models? A B2B or business to business company provides services or products to other businesses. A B2C or business to consumer company sells directly to individual consumers. There are two separate business models that serve different types of customers, one being businesses and other direct to consumer, my dear friend. Benefits of automated operations, business operations. It, it gives higher productivity, reliability, availability, increased performance, reduced operating costs, yield a good return on investment. The benefits of automated systems can be a powerful motive for increasing service to your end users. My dear friend, how artificial intelligence is used in businesses. It is useful for companies to look at AI through the lens of business capabilities. AI can support three important business needs: automating business process, gaining insight through data analysis, and engaging with customers and employees. My dear friend, now we'll discuss on passive products. CRM, customer relationship management. Our on passive product OLED is the application of CRM. It is intuitive and scalable CRM applications. It generates leads, close deals, and grow your business. Key features of OLED. It simplifies lead management, segmenting customers, image recognition and sentiment analysis, actionable insights, email integration, forecasting, reporting, and analytics. My dear friend, biggest benefits of CRM software. It increases customer revenues, optimize sales and marketing, improved customer relations, understand each customer's unique needs, maximize organizational performance, better internal communications, documentation and reporting, knowledge sharing. My dear friend, there are CRM software available in the market, but our on-pass CRM software OLED is a AI powered, plus there are many benefits, and there will be cost benefits. My dear friend, along with this OLED, you will get many other support services if you take as a total bundle or the total package, my dear friend. Now, my dear friend, OChat. This is the AI and customer service. Basically, it's a conversational agent for your business and easy to deploy sales and service agent. My dear friend, many call centers are getting replaced by chatbot applications, and businesses, business establishment, educational establishments, everybody are using chatbot banking. Key features: it can be pre-trained, right answers in a flash, 24 by 7 services, conversational maturity, It integrates with CRM, omni-capable, emotionally intelligent, autonomous reasoning, free to explore, my dear friend. My dear friend, another sector is the total education sector. Our Academy is powered by AI technology, based e-learning platform, learning for students, professional. They can choose courses from our wide ranges of courses available in Academy. Plus, it's a multilingual, whatever language you wish, you can learn through your preferred language. Earning for educators, teachers. Key features, it is multilingual, unique and adaptable. That is category wise filtration. You can upload bulk videos, video quality and speed adjustment, my dear friend. My dear friend, OSTAP is the AI powered human resource management application, HRMS. Key features of OSTAP: recruiting and hiring, employee onboarding, time and attendance, payroll management, leave management, ESS and MSS. ESS is employee self-service, MSS is manager self-service, my dear friend. My dear friend, OSTAP is having huge applications in industries, business houses, small and medium scale businesses. Now, my dear friend, everybody you are aware of video conferencing. Our OConnect is a video AI powered video conferencing tool connecting the world in an instant. Key features: can schedule event, convert speech to text, and our unique features of this OConnect auto language translation. It's a excellent features. If somebody speaks in English, you can listen in Hindi, Bengali, German language, Japanese language, any language, my dear friend. You can send invite by email address, direct link to YouTube, integrated link to external URL, attractive chat emojis. My dear friend, now video conferencing tool, what we are using, expenses are huge, and our OConnect, it will be very, very affordable prices. So all business houses, they will be attracted towards this our on passive product, my dear friend. Now, my dear friend, AI application is benefiting different business platforms on passive products. We'll discuss 5 products I've discussed. Academy learning platform, market global market size is in 2020 250 billion USD. By 2027, it will touch 1 trillion USD. 1 trillion is 1,000 billion US dollar, my dear friend. OConnect audio video conferencing. In 2021, it is 9.2 billion US dollar. 2026, 22.5. Next slides, I'll give the total summary and Indian rupees. OSTAP, Human Resource Management Software, HRMS, 2021 it is 19.38 billion US dollar. 2028 it will be 43.29 billion USD. OLEAD, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, 2020 43.7 billion USD. 2028 128.9 billion USD. OChat, Virtual Assistant Chatbot, 2019 it was 2.9 billion USD. By 2027 it will be 19.5 billion USD. My dear friends, all this data I have taken from the internet market research data. My dear friends, summary of 5 projects. Now, global market size of these 5 products 2021, it is 325 billion US dollar, my dear friend. That is Indian rupees 24 lakhs 37,500 crores. By 2027, it will cross $1 trillion, USD 1200 billion. That is equivalent to Indian rupees 90 lakhs crores, my dear friend. So you know the potential of the market, and on passive, with its innovative products, unique products, affordable market prices, it will penetrate the market. So you know what is the growth potential of on passive. Thanks. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Thanks for active watching.